another rinse and repeat. Let's take a look inside and then we'll be going over to week 17. Let's get over to week 17. I'll show you what's going on. So we've got about a week to go. We've got some finishing touches going on here. Bespoke staircase, everything's been painted. I'm just going to give you some sneak previews today. Lastly, from the outside, everything's looking super smooth, walls down. On the right hand side, we'll install a gate here, a couple of wheelie bins, new tiles go onto the front, and we'll finish off with a nice olive tree like this.